Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed link or insert hyperlink in LinkedIn post. Let's get started. Step 1. Pasting a link directly into your post. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com or open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Log into your account if you aren't already. On your home page, look for the box that says Start a Post and click on it. Type out the message you want to share with your audience. Next, copy the full website address, the URL that you want to include. Paste that URL directly into your post. LinkedIn will automatically generate a rich preview showing an image, title, and description. If you prefer a cleaner look without the preview, simply click the small X in the corner of the preview box to remove it. Don't worry, the clickable text link will stay right in your post. Step 2. Creating a hidden clickable hyperlink in a LinkedIn article. If you want to embed a link behind text, like turning the words "Learn More" into a clickable button, you'll need to use LinkedIn's article feature instead of a standard post. From your home page, click on Write Article. This will open up a full editor screen. Type out the sentence or phrase where you want the link to appear. Use your cursor to carefully highlight the specific text you want to make clickable. Then, in the formatting toolbar above, click the small chain link icon. A dialog box will appear. Paste your full URL into this box and click Apply to create your neat embedded hyperlink. Step 3. Adding your link in the first comment for better visibility. Many experts recommend placing your link in the first comment instead of the main post to help your content reach more people. To do this, craft your post as you normally would, but intentionally leave the link out of the main text. Click the Post button to publish it. As soon as your post is live, scroll to it and locate the comment section. Click Comment and paste your full URL directly into the comment box, then post it. For even greater visibility, pin this comment to the top. Click the 3 dots next to your new comment and select Pin Comment from the menu. This ensures your link is the first thing people see. A quick pro tip: always double-check that your link works correctly before you post. Click on it yourself to make sure it goes to the right page. If the URL is very long and messy, consider using a free URL shortener like bit.ly to create a shorter, cleaner-looking link that's easier for your audience to type if needed. And that's it! You now have 3 clear, effective methods to share links in your LinkedIn content.